Yeah, just to go over that one more time. Here, I'll move the chat out of the way. Yeah, the perspective option here. So when you're lining up to orthographic views, you kind of left click and drag, and then you hold shift, which will kind of get you to these sort of Maya style orthographic view, which is basically a no non-perspective view. But you can also freely rotate into this view. But when you're sculpting, like I said, if you're lining something up to reference images for a silhouette or to blueprints, then it can be useful to turn perspective off and snap to a kind of front view, side view, or top view, bottom view. But then after a very short amount of time, I will usually jump back into perspective. So if the view is kind of a little bit irritating, you can also then go into draw, and there's a camera focal length. So 50 millimeter is very close to the human perspective and view on objects, and the sort of field of view, which is basically the width of your peripheral vision. And you can change this. So you can actually switch to different camera angles and go more extreme if you feel like you want something that feels more 3D, or maybe something that's even more a bit like virtual sculpting via an Oculus or whatever.